Good morning for this Thursday, March 13th, and we are now looking at the trade we put on yesterday, Vertex Pharmaceuticals, VRTX. VRTX market is overall in an uptrend, kind of consolidating a little bit, but I believe we've got a nice little consolidation pattern here, and I believe we're going to try to move higher. We went long here at 80.02, right up in here. Initial stop loss down in here, initially below the low of that inside pattern, right, to keep it small, keep this loss small. We're going to keep it there at 77.82. As soon as that market starts to break through Tuesday's high, we should be good to go. So we'll keep the loss small if the market comes down, so we'll keep that small. And we're going to look for a bigger move to the upside, though. So, but first, we need to see that the market is able to take out this high, okay? So, again, the high we're looking at 80.56 broken to the upside. If that's broken to the upside today, we're going to move our stop up to below today's intraday low. But for the time being, we're going to keep our stop at 77.82, okay? 77.82 where I had it the other day. Again, so the game plan is if the market's able to penetrate up through 80.56 to the upside, we bring our stop up to today's intraday low. Okay? One other thing I want to take a look at real quick is crude oil. I mean, look at crude oil. Crude oil is definitely pulling back to a sweet spot, right? Look at this run-up that we've had here. All right, we've run up since about, what? January, bottomed out on January 7th, ran up to this high. We've come down right this line right here is the 50% retracement of that move. Okay, so the yearly low at like 91 and change up to this high. We're down to the 50%. As you can see, we've made we bounced a little bit from that blue action zone up, and then we've come down even further into the gray action zone, which is really my last level of, potential support in this established uptrend. We changed from, downtrend to an official uptrend right in here when the bars turn green, right? So we ran up, put in the high, we're coming down off that high, and again, we're going to see what happens today. Looks like, so far the market's only been open for about 15 minutes. It looks like we might get an inside pattern. We'll see. And then we'll take a look at this tomorrow. But another market you could play is the USO, right? The United States Oil Fund, the ETF, USO, right? So it's really up to you. We're going to take a look at this and keep this on our watch list. All right. Let's look at the E-mini S&P 500 real quick. I mean, this is what the price action's telling us here. Yes, we've run up this year from a low beginning of February all the way up to here. We're kind of pulling back a little bit. Yesterday barely stuck its head under the blue action zone, and we pretty much bounced at the old high, right? Old highs act as resistance until broken to the upside. It was broken to the upside. Now that resistance now becomes support, and that acted as support yesterday. We bounced up just a little bit, but we got the all-time high here. We'll keep an eye on it to see if it can break up through. But if you step back, sit back, take a look at your daily chart, take a look at the opening this year, how we dropped down. I can't put this on my, hold on, let me see. Okay, let me show you the chart. So pretty much the high, the year, this is the yearly high, right? Market came down this year, bottomed out in February. We bounced up and took out that high. We're pulling down a little bit, right? We got like an inverted, we have a V, right? In price, and we took out the high of the year. And now we've pulled back, right? That's pretty strong. If the market's able to take out this yearly's high, I think we go a lot higher. So we'll see. Have a profitable day, and I'll be back with you tomorrow. Bye.